Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix its time to close Instagram problem easily on Android and iPhone. So, if your Instagram app is crashing, automatically closing, freezing, or not opening properly, then don't worry. Just follow all the steps one by one, and your problem should be fixed. Firstly, restart your phone once. Sometimes temporary bugs or background error cause Instagram to crash, and a simple restart can solve the issue instantly. After restarting, open Instagram and check whether the problem is fixed or not. Now, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can switch between Wi Fi and mobile data once. Also, turn airplane mode on for 5 seconds and then turn it off again. After that, reopen Instagram. You can also clear Instagram cache from the settings and update Instagram. After this, check phone storage. Uh, Now check your device storage, and if your phone storage is almost full, Instagram may not work properly. So delete unnecessary files or unused apps to free up some space. And lastly, reinstall Instagram. And if Instagram servers are down, the app may still not work properly. In that case, wait for some time and try again later.